தொலைவில் நிற்கும் திருமணப்பட்டு விவாகா தி சென்னை சில்க்ஸ்.
Okay, Nani. Coming 27th October is your wedding day, and how is life with your wife? And it is 8 years going to be completed. Having a multiple issues with Niveda, yeah, took several takes. And how many takes you got the chance? Mass feel இருக்குல்ல, அதை மிஸ் பண்ற effect எப்படி இருக்கும்? What is your opinion on OTT and theatre? If you are trying a biopic, whom do you want to do? ஒன் இந்தியா ரசிகர்களுக்கு வணக்கம். இன்னைக்கு உண்மையிலே வந்திருக்கிறது மிகப்பெரிய செலிபிரிட்டி. இவருக்கு இன்ட்ரோ தேவையில்லை. ஹாய் நானி, how are you?
I'm good, thank you sir.
So V for victory, V for Vikramaditya, V for vision and V for versatile and நிறைய சொல்லிக்கிட்டே போகலாம். Lots of V in there and which V you are there?
I know and there is so much and I've on social media and all people are saying their own version. I think they'll only understand what we stand for when they watch the film.
The same date, September 5th, your first movie got released. So what would you like to rewind in this past 12 years? Because the same date, September 5th, 12 years, more than a decade. What do you like to rewind and what do you like to cherish?
Absolutely blessed with everything in this 12 years. I cannot really imagine if first when I came into the industry, if somebody tells me I will get this much of love, this many films I'll finish, and this much everyone will own me, I will not believe. I will think I have somebody joking.
Okay.
So I'm very, very blessed. I don't. If you give me an opportunity to go back and change anything, I will not change a single thing right now.
You will not change any single thing. Same as it is.
Not as it is. That is what made me, whatever I am today is because of all that. I've learned from my failures. I learned from my success. I learned from everything is what shapes me to be what I am today. So there's no changing, no regrets. And I really feel blessed and I'm full of gratitude.
Okay, Nani. Coming 27th October is your wedding day. And how is life with your wife? And it is 8 years going to be completed.
Yes, very happy that I'm staying home all the time now. I was working non-stop. I was going out of station all the time. I was shooting. Now Anju, my son Chunu, they both are very Arjun. They both are very happy, because I'm at home 24/7 in this lockdown time. Tomorrow again October I'm planning to get back to shoot. I'll miss them. Yeah.
Nani, in this particular movie, recently we had conversation with Sudhir Babu. Yeah, he told me that he got a chance to having a multiple kisses with Niveda. Yeah, took several takes. And how many takes you got a chance with several activities like this?
I didn't take anything. We doesn't have a chance at all. Previous films also, I think I didn't take much takes for scenes like this. I'm very nervous. I'm scared. I'll finish it off fast. Yeah.
Okay. So which heroine you feel a little bit of uncomfortable having a camera intimacy or hugging or something?
Not like that. Not about the person, sir. It's just a situation when 100 people are around and you're acting an intimate scene. You'll obviously, it depends on like how you have grown up. Also, I'm a little shy person. So obviously it's not about who it is. It's about what the situation is. Yeah.
Okay. Tell me the last one reason people in Amazon, everybody coming to the OTT and watching V. This is one particular reason everybody should watch V. Give me the best reason.
I think last 6 months we haven't had such great theatrical experience entertainment at home at all. That itself is a big reason, because all this while we have seen on what films we have seen on OTT are the films which are very different, unique, interesting. It's not a commercial action film. So mainstream entertainment we haven't seen at all. So I'm sure everyone is waiting to watch something like V, and V is the perfect film for it.
Nani, particularly the OTT platform theater audience, the huge claps, audience applause, மிகப்பெரிய பிரம்மாண்டமான அந்த மாஸ் ஃபீல் இருக்குல்ல, அதை மிஸ் பண்ற எஃபெக்ட் எப்படி இருக்கு உங்களுக்கு? What is your opinion on OTT and theaters?
Definitely, sir. Most important, because we all came to cinema watching films in theater. That experience is the greatest experience. But today it is not a regular time, sir. We will not take a decision like this when the times are normal, when theaters are open, when everything is right. We won't do this. Today there is been no content, and we are all the audience have been waiting for something new, and we have a movie ready. and to take it to the audience is our first duty. The next one is later. So when absolutely there is no content, when there's an OTT platform which more than 200 countries it's releasing in the same time. So we thought we shouldn't wait. Anyway, our next films are saved. We are keeping them for the theater release only. Definitely, I will miss the experience of watching it with the audience first day morning show. But I'm sure this is going to be a very different, unique experience for now.
பிரதர், இந்த பொதுவாக இந்த ரீமேக் ஃபிலிம்ஸ் இருக்குல்ல, பொதுவாக ஹிந்தி ஃபிலிம்ஸ்லாம் நிறைய இங்க ரீமேக் ஆயிட்டு இருந்தது. இப்போ நிறைய தெலுங்கு ஃபிலிம்ஸ், கன்னடா ஃபிலிம்ஸ், மலையாள ஃபிலிம்ஸ், எல்லா ரீஜனல் ஃபிலிம்ஸ் பீன் மேட் இன் பாலிவுட். ஸோ இட்ஸ் பீன் அ டைம் சேஞ்ச் இல்லையா? எஸ். So what is your opinion about South Indian films going to Bollywood?
I feel very proud that now JRC, my production film, Hit and MC, and all these films are being remade in Hindi. It feels good because if somebody is remaking it, that means they liked it. That's a compliment in itself. So I'm very, very happy. And also now I think thanks to our filmmakers like Mani Ratnam sir, Rajamouli sir, Shankar sir, now but the Bollywood is also looking at us. They are respecting us. Before it used to be different. Before, I was just saying in another interview, before they didn't even know the difference between a Tamil film, Telugu film. They used to call all the films same. They know who are the Tamil filmmakers, who are the Telugu filmmakers. So there's a lot, even when we go to Mumbai now, there's a lot of respect. So thanks to our directors, we really, I think we scored there. So, and also the game is changing now because of the internet, because of the OTTs. I think content is going to take over. We deliver content, they deliver, whoever delivers the content will be the biggest. It won't be this industry is bigger, it will be this film is bigger.
If you're trying a biopic, whom do you want to do?
Biopics?
Yeah, biopic.
I know there's a full trend of biopics going on, but maybe I'll do a biopic of Mani sir, Nandathan sir. Why not? Someday. Yeah, if I'm unable to make a film, if I'm unable to get a chance with Mani sir, then I'll do a biopic of Mani sir. Then he can't do anything. No? He don't have to choose me. I can also choose myself.
The movie is releasing on a Teacher's Day, particularly September 5th. Whom do you think as a teacher in your personal life, like a director or a cameraman or anybody in the industry, whom do you think as a teacher in your part of life?
Then again it comes back to Mani Ratnam sir only. He's a teacher who like no direct contact, but
okay,
like online classes.
நான் இந்த கேள்வியை எல்லாத்துக்கும் புரியுற மாதிரி நான் தமிழ்ல கேட்டிருந்தேன். என்னன்னா, பவன் கல்யாண் அவர் ஒரு மிகப்பெரிய பவர் ஸ்டார் அங்க தெலுங்கு இண்டஸ்ட்ரியில. இன்னொன்னு எல்லா பக்கமும் அவருக்கு ரசிகர்கள் இருக்காங்க. பட் ரீசென்ட்லி அவரோட பர்த்டே வந்தது. அது ரசிகர்கள் எல்லாம் பயங்கர கொண்டாடி இருக்காங்க. பட் certain people have lost their lives. What is your opinion on this?
That's very sad, sir. No. But see, that comes from a pure love. See, they want to do something. They wanting to do something for their favorite hero comes from a very, very, very honest space. They love that actor so much. They want to do something. I just wish they took a little more care. They were a little more. We can't ask them not to do it. It is their way of showing love. But they should have been careful. It shouldn't have ended like this in a very tragic situation. I really wish that didn't happen.
This should not happen.
And imagine for Pawan Kalyan sir, how heartbreaking it will be on his birthday.
Yes.
I'm sure they wanted to do something nice for him. They wanted to wish for him. But now today whole day he will be in. It'll break his heart to know that a fan lost his life. So yeah, that's very sad.
So what is your words to your fans particularly?
I always tell my fans, sir. I tell them that what their love and affection means the most to me, but at the same time what means even more is that they don't waste their time around me. They can watch. I want them to watch my films. I want them to love me. I want their support, but I don't want them to do anything other than liking me or supporting me. I don't want them to fight with someone. I don't want them to do things out of putting the money out of their pockets or wasting their precious time to do work. So I always told this, and I'm telling it again.
Thanks a lot, Nani. Thanks a lot for your wonderful time.
Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. Yeah.